If you've never meditated before, you may be surprised to know that listening to sounds is actually a meditation technique. Meditation is a skill, like learning how to play a new sport or a new instrument. And the more you practice, the better you get. Training your brain is just like training a part of your body. You have to practice skills, building, and drills to get better, and you will get better over time. In this video, we'll learn the what, why, and how of sound listening exercises for successful meditation. So what? Sound listening meditation is simply focusing your attention on sounds. So we're all familiar with breath and focusing on inhalation and exhalation. With sound listening, you focus on the singular sense of hearing and make an effort to only observe what you hear. In everyday life, we can't possibly hear everything around us. We are selective because we're receiving input through all of our senses. And with this exercise, we focus only on the sense of sound. So why? Why is sound listening beneficial? Well, number one, it heightens your ability to focus your attention on one thing, the experience of sounds. And it improves your ability to concentrate. Two, it boosts your awareness of your senses and the information that you get from your senses. Three, that brings you into the present moment, and it helps increase your ability to be mindful. And four, it creates a feeling of calm, because when we focus our attention, it stills the mind. And when we're in the present, we are happier and more engaged because we're not worrying about what happened in the past or what may happen in the future. We're simply grounded in what's happening now. So 3, let's do together a simple sound listening exercise for a couple minutes that you can do anytime, and it will boost your skills and abilities in this area. You can use it just for relaxation, or you can use it to make you a more successful meditator. To begin, just release a little bit of tension. Do a couple shoulder rolls, shake out your hands, and get comfortable. We'll begin. Enjoy 2 intentional breaths, breathing deeply and exhaling completely. You may either keep your eyes open, shifting your gaze downward and softening the focus so that you're not looking at anything in particular, but simply resting with open eyes. Or you may close your eyes, whatever is comfortable for you. Breathing through the nose or mouth, whatever is comfortable for you. Draw your attention to the sense of sound. Imagine that sounds are coming to you like waves up to the shore, rolling gently toward your ears, flowing away. Make no effort to focus on any particular sound, but bring your attention to the variety of sounds. Notice if there are any sounds of humanity, people talking, children's voices, or the sounds of equipment. Now shift your attention and see if you can hear any sounds of nature. Wind, birds, insects, any sounds of life in nature that may be around you. Again, without focusing on any sound in particular, just allowing sounds to come to you and flow away. Now shift your attention to any sounds within your body. Can you perhaps hear the sound of your breath? Or the sound of your heartbeat? And now gently shift your awareness to all the sounds. Without focusing on any type of sound in particular, allow your ears to softly receive all the sounds that surround you. If your eyes are closed, gently open your eyes and just take a moment to see how you feel. Notice if you feel any calmer than you did before. And as you've experienced, simply doing this exercise is going to improve your ability to focus and pay attention. And this is very valuable to start a mindfulness practice, or to start a meditation practice, or to simply use as a tool to create more calm for yourself, to get out of those busy thoughts and into the present moment and the sensations that you're experiencing in your own body and in the world around you. Thank you very much. I'd love it if you would subscribe to my playlist, because this is a series of skills and drills that you can use and practice to become a more successful meditator and to boost mindfulness in everyday life. I'd love it if you'd add in comments how you experience this, and if you find it helpful, or what else you'd like to learn about this. And I thank you very much for joining me today.